Presenting Kyocera Cloud Information Manager, a document management and data extraction solution. Is your office full of paper and analog tasks? Is it hard to find the information you need? As your first step to digitalization, Kyocera Cloud Information Manager digitizes your document processes, helping you move to a smarter workplace. You can easily import and organize documents by scanning them, and then simply dragging them to our web app. Kyocera Cloud Information Manager also helps workers easily classify large documents with one-click indexing. It analyzes each document by OCR and extracts the characters you need. This eliminates the tedious and time-consuming task of checking each document one by one and entering texts accurately. And you can quickly find your documents by searching for text or dates. Kyocera Cloud Information Manager provides a secure document management environment. That lets you manage document access by type, such as invoices and quotations, and track changes to those documents. And no server setup and maintenance is needed for our cloud-based solution. You can quickly get up and running with low ongoing costs. Your first step to digitalization. Kyocera Cloud Information Manager, your document management and data extraction solution.